What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy D2Fit, come back with another video, man. This one's by Longbeachgriffy. It's called When Chinese People Sneeze. This man's hilarious, guys. Before we hop into this video, guys, subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a $50 giveaway tomorrow, guys, so stay tuned for that. Not only am I doing that, but I'm also doing two $100 giveaways when we hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. So subscribe to my channel. Let's go hop into the video.
Back the fuck up. Yo, bro, I'm not fucking around, man. I'm sorry, dude. You guys fucked up. Dude, relax. It's just my allergies.
Lies. Chinese people don't get allergies. You got that Chinese Ebola thing.
The coronavirus?
Chinese Ebola?
Dude, I'm not even Chinese. I'm Korean.
Chinese, Koreanese, Japanese, it's all the same shit. You all look alike, for Christ's sake.
That is incredibly racist.
That's very
Is it
racist.
though? I don't even know why TSA let y'all through. Won't let me take half a bottle of water on a plane, but gonna let through a family of diseased niggas.
He got a point about the water.
Of starting a zombie apocalypse. I don't fucking get.
Where else are those families supposed to go?
Antarctica. Or Florida. Nobody gives a fuck about Florida. Florida. Don't even give
I'm
a
just
fuck
playing.
about Florida. Look.
Man,
Sneeze again. Sneeze again. I will blow your motherfucking head off your motherfucking head. Do it. Do it. Play with me. Play with me. I can't even get a happy ending at a massage parlor because of you motherfuckers.
What? Yo, this man Longbeachgriffy hilarious, yo. He can take something so small and make it super, super big, bro. Y'all go subscribe to his channel, man. This man, like I said, this dude is hilarious, very creative. And, like, I guess he's talking about this coronavirus that's been going on, you know. I'm really, it's just sad to see what's going on in China. I'm not all about politics and stuff, but it is sad to see stuff like that going on in the world. Sometimes, you know, even though we're going through bad things, we still gotta laugh about it. But guys, subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you want me to react to or do next. Peace.